the malaria slide, first look for the size of the infected RBC because it would tell you a lot. If the infected RBC is enlarged with Schachner stippling, stippled, no? Dalawa lang yan, bibox or ovale lang yan. If the infected RBC is normal in size, same size as a normal RBC, falciparum. Or if it is normal in size or smaller than normal, you look for the smaller than normal at meron Plasmodium malariae. Same size ng normal RBC. Falciparum. So, anong karakteristik ng falciparum? Ang chromatin dot niya, dala-dalawa, nakakonect, parang headphone. Okay? Headphone ang itsura, hindi sing-sing, headphone, no? Okay. Sino may engagement ring na dito? Among the females. Walang may engagement ring dito?
Kabilang...
Wala?
Sa kabilang.
Okay. Ano pang karakteristik ng falciparum? Multiple infection of an RBC is common. Bakit? Si Pong meron? And occult forms are common. Nakadikit dito sa edge, no? Pag nakakita ka nun, at headphone type, falciparum na yan. May nakasulat sa likod. This is a skyson. You rarely see this in the circulation kasi most of the time, pag skyson na, nasa liver or spleen na yan. So it's filled with merozoites. No? When it ruptures, each individual merozoite will be infecting an RBC. Okay?